You might have used variety of applications to play games, do online shopping, transfer cash, book taxis, and etc. What do you think is the logic used behind development of these applications? It is nothing, but these applications have been structurally programmed. There are various programming languages which are used to structure these applications such as C, C++, Java, Python, etc. In this tutorial, let us learn about the history and evolution of C programming. C as a programming language was developed at Bell Laboratories by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. It was known as CPL, Combined Programming Language, and was developed with the objective of creating a language that was capable of both high-level, machine-independent programming, which allowed the programmer to control the behavior of individual bits of information. The one major drawback of CPL was that it was too big for use in many applications. In 1967, BCPL, Basic CPL, was developed as a scaled-down version of CPL, retaining the basic features of CPL. In 1970, Ken Thompson, while working at Bell Labs, further improved this process and developed the B language. It was the scaled-down version of BCPL written especially for use in systems programming. The year 1972 is a landmark in the history of C programming. In this year, a co-worker of Ken Thompson named Dennis Ritchie noticed some of the generality found in the BCPL to the B language. In the process of developing these generalities, he found a language we now know as C. C's power and flexibility have become apparent soon. As a result of this, the Unix operating system, which was written originally in assembly language, was almost rewritten in C. During the late 1970s, C spread across its use in many colleges and universities because of its close ties to the Unix and the availability of C compilers. Very soon, most of the organizations started using their own versions of C, causing compatibility problems. To overcome these compatibility issues in 1983, the American National Standards Institute (ANSI) formed a committee to establish a standard definition of C, which became known as ANSI Standard C. Thus, today C is a powerful, flexible language and has got a widespread use in various sectors. Well, this is all about history and evolution of C programming. In the next tutorial, we will learn about compilers and interpreters.